Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. Yes, amazing news for our viewer. Yeah, microorganisms defined as very small living beings, invisible to the naked eye, comprising bacteria, fungi, viruses, or others. Naturally, compete and cooperate in nature for survival. What does the environmental stress to which they are subjected due to global changes, such as global warming, sea level rise, or air pollution, affect them and to what extent? Ignacio J. Melerio Zimans, a researcher at the Department of Botany and Plant Physiology of the University of Malaga, has collaborated with an international scientific team to show, based on an experimental system that reproduced a mutualistic microbial community, that the most common evolutionary solution for two codependent organisms to survive extreme environmental change could be to become self-sufficient. The phenomenon is known as evolutionary rescue, a rapid genetic adaptation that allows organisms to avoid extinction in critical situations. In this case, mutualism is broken as an evolutionary solution to avoid extinction, and the results of this study were recently published in the journal Nature Communication. The research, conducted for more than 2 years, is the result of postdoctoral stay of the UMA scientists. The experiments were initially carried out at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, Israel, under the coordination of the researcher Jonathan Friedman, and subsequently the genetic analysis and data processing took place at the Center for Plant Biotechnology and Genomes of the UPM INIA oblique CSIC in Madrid, under the leadership of the specialist Alejandro Caos. Genetic engineering. Together with five authors from these two scientific institutions, Meloro Jimenez has explored how microbial communities evolve when facing extreme stress conditions. For this purpose, they used a synthetic model based on two genetically engineered strains of the intestinal bacteria Escherichia coli, designed to depend strictly on each other, and each strain produces an essential amino acid that the other needs to survive. Specifically, the experimental phase of the study consists of culturing these microbial communities under controlled laboratory conditions and subjecting them to situations of severe environmental stress, with the aim of observing how they responded evolutionarily over time. We exposed these communities to different conditions of lethal stress and monitored their growth over multiple generations. For comparison, we used an ancestral strain that did not depend on any partner to survive. Interestingly, we observed that when mutualistic communities underwent stress, the quickest evolutionary solution was to break down the mutualism, says the UMA scientist. Amazing, sir. Bow down. Behind this exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.